I walk in the bar, and what do I see? A sexy thing dancing to the beat. Ain't no care in her soul. She moving like she owes nobody shit. She like the devil in disguise, that ass and them thighs. Got a brother hypnotized, yeah, she know it too. I see it in her eyes. She moves to the groove like nobody's business. Type of gal make you think about having a mistress. Yeah, all I get. Next thought is get her over to my bed. Oh shit, yeah, that's what I said. Little thing, move that groove, let me see you get it up instead. Brick, break me off a piece of that little mama. Come on and get it up. Ain't no other soul in this room. Do what you do, so get it up. Get it up, oh yeah, get it up. Drop it low, pick it up slow. Let me see you get it up. Come on now, y'all. Let me see you get it up. Now damn, I'm about 5 glasses deep. Pour that whiskey. Tell the bartender please just one more before I hit that dance floor. You got a brother hypnotized and wanting more than the show you putting on. I'm guessing what's under them Daisy Dukes. Bet my bottom dollar she rockin' the thong. Ooh, what the fuck is going on? Got naughty